everyone, welcome to my channel, Budget for Success. Woo! And today we're gonna make money, save money. Yes, yes, yes. Because we're gonna work on my Flintstone binder. So let's get started. Shaboom! All right. Okay, so here we go. This binder, y'all have been missing. My Flintstones binder, I know. So I had some money left over from savings challenges that I was cash stuffing. So we're going to use this money to cash stuff Fred. So we got 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, half, 1, 11, half, 12, half, 13, half. So that's 135, 140, 145, 150, 155, 160, 61, 2, and 3. So $163. All for Fred. Yes, Fred. We coming for you, Fred. Oh, yes. Now, let me get my cute dice so we can roll the dice. All right. So I got these dice from Amazon. They are really heavy. Yes. So I think that's the dice I want. I might want some other ones, but I'll pull them out if I need them. We'll set it right here. Before I go too far, hold on. Hold up. Wait a minute. There is a savings challenge I want to finish. Yabba dabba save time. Yes. We'll have a good old time. Well, okay. So we're going to finish this. 5, 10, 15, 20. All right. Please hold. All right. So I finished coloring it in. And so I added it up. It should be $120 in here. We have 100, so here's 20. So we got 120 at Yabba Dabba Save Time. Woo! And we can roll some dice. We be rolling. So we rolled a 6. And now we rolled a 5. So that's 11. That's good. So we got 10, 11. So now this is Scooby-Doo. Scooby-Dooby-Doo, where are you? We got some work to do now. So we have $25, $26. We got some money to save, Scooby. All right, now which ones do we want to save? Let's do $10 and we can color in a 6 and a 4. So this is Shaggy. And this is the, the mobile, whatever they called it. Y'all know what that was called? Their little van? I forget, but whatever. So we have $20 now. So it saves a total of $32. So this is my savings challenge, and it's on Etsy. Let's see what we save. So we saved a 6 and a 3. So that's 9. One more, a 3. So that's $12. And so this is Fido, okay? So this ain't Scooby, this is Fido. So now Fido has some money. Look at Fido. So Fido has 20, 30, 41, and 2. $42. So Fido comes with an envelope and a savings challenge. Look at that. So go check out Fido on my Etsy shop, guys. He's a cool dude. This is Busy Lizzie. Busy Lizzie. And I think each of these bones is worth $1.25. So I think I always do, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I always do 8. Because 8 times $1.25 is 10, right? Yeah. So why don't I do 20? And I'm going to do 16. So, I'll be back. All right, so we have 16, which is $20. So we have 20, 40, 50, 55, $60 in Busy Lizzie's Give a Dog a Bone. So are you catching our theme here? So this was... Now we're moving on to the Jetsons. All right, so this is by my girl, Cajun Girl Creates. Isn't that cute? Jetsons, 1, 2, 3, 4. She was down my alley. So we got $6. Because, I'm loving these cartoons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So we have $14 today for the Jetsons. So 10, whoops, wrong way. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And I have this envelope. This envelope is actually from Fairy Rose Cottage. I bought a savings challenge, a Jetson savings challenge from her, but I finished it. So now we got Cajun Girl, but create 10, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, $30. So this is almost done. It saves a total of $47. We will get there. I need to save in my binder more. I had so many savings challenges. It's like, how do I get to it? All right, this is another cartoon, but this one was my daughter's favorite. She loved this cartoon. All right, let's see what we rolled. We rolled a 2 and a 4, so that's 6. And then we can color in. This is Bubbles. I don't remember now. Bubbles, Blossom, and who's the other one? I remember she was the mean one. She didn't take no mess. So we got $12. And then, what am I doing? Come over here. 12 plus 4 is 16. 16 plus 4 is 20. So these are the Powerpuff Girls. Powerpuff Girls. So we now have 20, 30, 40, 45, $52 for the Powerpuff Girls. I gotta remember her name. We'll come back to that. Or maybe that was her name, Blossom. So I just don't remember the other girl who wasn't. She was the tough one. All right, let's see. Flintstones. 1. So we're just gonna scratch right here. $5. This says a total of. It says 45 plus. So one of these should be tricky, I guess. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So far it hasn't been tricky. It says $9. Well, let's keep scratching. I'm trying to figure out where the trick is. 9 and 7 is 16. There was no trick. It says 45 plus. This is also Cajun Girl Creates. So it was 16 plus 6. Which is 20, 16 plus 6, 22. I think it was 9 and 7 is 16 plus 6 is 22. So let's see, if we put 22 in here, how much do we have? 20, 30, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48. I guess she was right when she said 45 plus is $48. I thought it would be like you had to say times 2 or something like that. Oh well. Oh wait, let's do this paper clip. So here we go. It was 48. She was right. It was 45 plus. Okay, moving on. This is another one. So this is from Barbie's Budgeting. I think we're going to finish this one too. So this was a total of $17. So 5, 10, 15, 16, 17. So now it says a total of $75. 50, 60, 65, 70, 75, 76, 77, 78. So I must have put in extra. So we have $78 for the Flintstones. I have not been ringing my bell. Heck. Woo. You can ring my bell. Ring my bell, my bell. Okay. So on this, I have not been pulling the money. I wonder if I should, if I finish him. So I finished Bam Bam. He was $75. That's a lot here. So we decided we was going to do a little at a time. So let's do Fred. So Fred and Bam Bam. Let's see. I don't think we can finish Fred. I don't know. We got $10, $15. We will not finish Fred. But let's just roll and see. One. Well, that's $10. We're going to take a chance and roll one more. So that's 10. And 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And there we go. 15. Ta-da! Okay, so that's $15 in here. And we have Bam Bam. Bam Bam Bam. So let's see, can we take Bam Bam at 50, 60, 65, 70, 75? So we'll leave Fred in here. But Bam Bam is $75 and he's done. So 50, 60, 65, 70, 75. We are taking Bam Bam out because Bam, 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 Bam. Bam Bam is done. And so we're working on Dino and Fred right now. So they have $106 between Fred and Dino. Oh, and we started Wilma too. Wilma! Y'all, you have to pardon my outbursts. So we still have $2. Actually, I want to do something. This said 45 plus, so I'm going to leave that alone. But this one right here said 75, 50, 60, 65, 70, 75. So we had an extra $3. 50. So I'm going to go back and work on the Powerpuff Girls. So we got $1, $2, $3, $4, $5. Let's color in a $5. I think this is Blossom. I gotta find out what the other little one's name is. Probably have to ask my daughter. Alright, so if we add $5 to my Powerpuff Girls, they now have 20, 30, 40, 45, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, $57 in the Powerpuff Girls. Alright, that was a good save, guys. That was nice. That was fun. I love the Flintstones. So we can ring the bell today. Let's see. Before we go, let's add it up. We didn't finish that. Okay, but we did finish this, which we concluded was $75 plus 75 plus, this was 48, I remember. Yep. And then this was $120. So $318. Woo! That's a good save. That's a wonderful save. Hey, these savings challenges, they work. This money is going to my sinking funds. Okay, that's all I have for today. I appreciate you hanging out with me. Please, you guys, make sure you take some time to check out my Smart Money Tuesdays. I really do enjoy doing those videos, and there's a lot of great information in there, and it's like my passion. Like, I want to just get the word out. I just want you, take what you can get from it, right? Not everything that's shared is going to be like, oh yeah, yeah. But if there's a few points in there that makes you go, ding, that's my goal, right? Anything to help us get to the next level, to the next plateau. And I do a lot of research for these videos. I don't just pop the video out. Like, I'm doing research and I'm learning myself, and I'm learning as I go. And some of the things when I'm gathering data is complex. But then I say, how can I share this information so that everybody can understand it? So even if you wanted to have your young children, your teenagers or whatever, watch a video or two to help them get the skills that they need, so that when they go into adulthood, they're making budgets, they're saving money, they're actually being intentional with their spending. This is stuff that I never had when I was young. I had to learn this information in my adult years. So please, please check the videos out and share them. Maybe sit down with your kids and kind of go through a few of the videos, or just watch the videos and then teach it to your kids the way you want to teach it to your kids. I don't care. I just want everybody to get this information. I love you, and I need you to survive and thrive. And if you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to Budget for Success. Bye for now. Love you guys.